the Superstar Sisters, Reagan, Michelle, and Rihanna. For our first number, we will be singing Cupid. Cupid, jump back your bow and let your arrows flow straight to my lover's heart for me. Cupid, please hear my cry and let your arrows fly straight to my lover's heart for me. Ba-ba-ba.
Oh my gosh, they trust us, don't they? What you gotta do next? What's that other one? You said our first number.
I know, huh?
It's getting hot in here.
Oh, yeah.